现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, yo, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you a phrase. It's called 怎么办, which means like, what should I do? You know, if you get into a situation you don't know how to solve it, what should I do? You ask people, 怎么办？怎么说？
牛角散。
牛角散 ，OK， 牛角散 ，That's what should I do？ 比如说啊，有时候生活小撇步啊，这个自己要多了解一下啦。可是到外面的时候，比如说啊，沾到酱油啊，怎么办啊？到底是怎么洗啊？是要用醋吗？还是用水呢？等等，你就会问旁边的人。
谁叫你那么不小心？
真的 ，OK。Let's say you got some soy sauce on your shirt and you're asking, people around you, what should I do? How should I get this off? Right？ 外衣沾到酱油怎么办？
面衫搞到挑油，牛角散。
面衫搞到挑油。牛角散，所以这个外衣面衫 that means my shirt or my outer shirt, okay? Got some 导油啊，酱油怎么说？
挑油。
挑油 that's soy sauce. 快拿去洗，不然就洗不掉喽。Hurry up and get it washed, otherwise it's gonna stick. Okay, it's gonna stain.
夾拿去洗。
夾拿去洗。
那麼手洗唔甩咧。
那麼手洗唔甩咧。
要拿去洗，那麼就洗唔甩咧。
那麼就是不然了哈。
对啊，不然就洗。
那麼就洗不掉了，不然就洗不掉了。
不然就洗不掉了。
洗不掉叫做什麼？
洗唔甩。
洗唔甩。洗 means to wash， 唔甩 you can't get it off. Yeah, you can't wash it anymore. 哎呀，好讨厌啊，对不对？讨厌这件衣服才刚买的，有时候是这样子。我跟你讲，这是叫做墨菲定论啊。穿越新的东西就越容易沾到，很讨厌。All right, it sucks. I just bought this shirt, right?
電影腦，亞良矮張買嘅呢。
亞良矮張買嘅呢 ，OK？ 亞良就這件衣服。
亞良
，Yeah, this shirt I just bought it. 買 ，that means to buy.
買的話單一個字就買。
買，
對，但是因為我們說才買的耶，所以我們就轉一下音。
OK， 電影腦這個跟男女朋友啊討厭了，也可以這樣子嗎？
可以啊，你喊電影腦，
你就要塞那一點就不一樣的語氣了。OK， let's review some of these phrases such as your shirt 外衣，面衫 ，OK， 然後去洗嘛，洗怎麼說？洗 that's to wash, and then finally sucks man 討厭。電影腦 and the whole phrase that we're teaching the whole month is 怎麼辦 What should I do? 牛角散 Okay, now you know, be careful when you're eating. That does it for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.